Welcome everyone, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, April the 9th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. We randomed up our 41 remaining box numbers. We got box number 34. Did random teams for it. On the left, we've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, everybody. Give y'all a chance to trade. Had one trade go down that has been entered, so here we go. Wow, guys, we are definitely due for some big hits, guys. I don't know what's going on. I never get like this. Normally we'd be pulling big boy after big boy this early in a series. Well, folks, not a monster. Still a solid hit, guys, for one of our fillers. Gonna be dog on that one with the Philadelphia hit. It's our second Philly hit out of the series. Bam. Going to be the Miles Sanders Speed Authentic JSA sticker and card on that one, guys. Dog gonna take our first helmet of the night. Nice Miles Sanders Speed Authentic for Dog. I know that because he asked me if they were still alive before the break. Just double checking. Yes, sir. That's going to be a dog hit. Well, I'm sorry everybody else, guys, but we are way overdue on a couple of big hits, folks. We've just been hitting okay our last few nights, man. Pulling some of our filler stuff that's not even on the checklist. But you're knocking a lot of stuff off, a lot of stuff that's not on our checklist, guys. We've already pulled. And as you can see, even the stuff on our that's not on our checklist is not bad hits, folks. Gonna be a dog hit. Alright, if anybody wants to keep, guys, I'll let you keep at 18 just to try to get another one moving. Alright, so keeps will be 18 just to get her moving again, folks. Anybody wants to keep, it's 18. Alright, so I'll give you guys a little extra bonus there. So that's $2 off, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 times, folks. Well, I got Tom and Adam going to be our qualifiers there, folks. Again, keeps are 18 and his qualifiers 19 and 20. We're only 10 boxes into our series, folks. Almost all our big hits still there. Stop on by and join us. 8 p.m. Central, Bobby Two Pops Breaks.